Wholeness and Balanced Vibrations, guys. Welcome to day 17 of the 21 days choose fasting. Today, it's a challenging day. It's a very, very challenging day. I'm gonna get to why in a moment. But yeah, we're almost there. So, in terms of what I had today, today I had some smoothies as well. Um, it was actually very very nice prune. So I used this thing, this fruit called uh, prune or prunes, and I just threw it in the blender, and it's actually gave me a very very nice smoothie. Only that, nothing else. And then I also had like two bananas. uh, the banana again, like I don't even know why I ate the banana, but it stuck on my stomach, so it was like irritating me also a little bit. But I think it's a little bit normal that my stomach is like just trying to adjust to the change that it's having now, because I remember when I did the 7 day water fast, um, I I like broke the fast directly by eating food and different types of food directly, and my stomach hurt very bad. So I remember that. So I think now it's like little lighter. So as the days go a little bit further, I think I'm gonna probably be feeling better and better on that part. Um, yes. So in terms of in terms of juicing, I didn't really make any juice because I had a little bit of the how you call it, the carrot juice left, so I managed with that, and I just had the prawns to eat. And by the way, it has been 3 weeks that I had my first bowel movements today after eating the prawns, so, or prawns. I don't even know how to pronounce this food. I'm probably gonna put a picture somewhere here. Um, yeah, so that was also very very interesting. I'd had some talks from the juicing groups that I'm in, that when you're ending your fast, it's good to eat prawns, or like just do anything with prawns, and you're gonna have a bowel movement directly. So mine was like after 2 hours, exactly as they said, like I could go to the toilet. Um, yeah, and then after that, I ate it again, and 2 hours later again, I went to the toilet. So it's really like that's a clear channel going on in here. In terms of how I feel, yeah, it's a challenging day. Why? Because yeah, I had let me just full disclosure. I had a very very um, um, painful lesson in terms of trading, because we all have this thing that we have to work on ourselves. So for me, trading is actually like, in terms of discipline, trading is the parent that you never had. So if you're not yet trading, for anybody who's trading, I think you guys know what I'm talking about. So it was a very very painful lesson, um, and everything is a learning. It's a learning lesson. So it's yeah, it try like I'm not yeah, it's a hard pill to swallow what happened today. I'm not gonna go into details, but for me personally, I always, for in any situation, be it good or bad, I always look for the gems or the lessons in there, and I got it. But the question is like, am I going to implement it? That's the $1 million question. But hey, you know what? Today we lost the fight. So tomorrow we come back fresh. We come back stronger. So yeah, it's okay. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna keep this video short as well. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow on day 18 of the 21 days choose cleanse, or the 21 days choose fasting. guys, stay well, stay safe, stay blessed. um, Victorious Legit, I'm signing out. Wholeness and balance vibrations. Catch you on